So, my dear student, here representation of irrational numbers on the number line. In that, we are going to learn under root 2 on the number line. Okay, how to represent under root 2 on the number line. So, first of all, you need to draw a straight line. Okay, so I'm also drawing it here. Just look at your screen. Draw a one straight line. Fine. Let me call it line L. Fine. Now take one point as an origin. I am considering this as an origin O. Now dear student, after that we need to choose the scale 1 unit. As a 1 unit we can choose, because 1 centimeter can be also choose, but actually it is too small. So to represent that in a better way, you can choose 1 unit as 2 centimeter. Either you can choose 3 unit as 1 centimeter. Fine. If not, then come to the inch side and work out on 0 to 1 inch as 1 unit. Right. So here I am choosing 0 to 1 as my 1 unit. Here it is 1 and here it will be 2 and this will be 3. So for here I am mentioning 1, 2, 3. Now in the next step, what I am going to do, just look at your screen. This 1 unit I am choosing here and I am keeping it here. Again I am constructing 90 degree here. As you know 90 degree how to construct, it is a straight line perpendicular. So I am drawing it from here. It is. And now this time I am drawing it from here. 0 to this. Now let me naming it. I am giving the name to this point as A point. Here A point I am giving and the name for this I am giving B. So dear student, but this is not the construction of root 2. So what to do with that? As we know that this is our 1 unit. So I am mentioning this is 1 unit. A to B is also 1 unit. Agree? So as we know that here this is forming 90 degree angle. So which type of triangle OAB? You know very well, triangle OAB. Triangle OAB is a right angle triangle. It is right angle triangle. Right? So dear student, using Pythagoras theorem, you know very well, here we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem. What is the theorem says? It says that OB square equal to AA square plus AB square. So in that I am going to put the value. As we know that to find the OB, I am going to use here OB square, let it be as it is. What is OA? OA we have taken 1 unit. So here it is 1 unit. So it is 1. This is AB is also 1. So this is 1 I am choosing here. Fine. So dear student, AB square equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2. Agree? So what is OB? So of course OB will be this side, this square root will go and it will become root 2. So according to that, OB is root 2. So here it is root 2. Now take your compass in your hand and O as a center, measure O to B. Measure O to B from here like this way and draw one arc. Here you can see here I am drawing one arc. It's quite visible. Okay? And this arc is, you know very well, this arc is for the construction of root. So it intersects the number line here at this point. So dear student, this is the complete construction of under root 2 on a number. So my dear student, here I am going to explain you representation of under root 3 on the number line. Okay. First of all, what do? We will draw one straight line. You can see on your screen, this is a straight line. I am drawing it here. After drawing this straight line, take O as a origin here, O. And as you know, 1 unit, either we can choose here 1 inch, if not, then 2 centimeter or maybe 3 centimeter on your scale, you can choose as 1 unit. So, my dear student, here I am using 1 inch as a 1 unit. Okay, so here 0 to 1, you can see this is my 1 inch, this is 1 inch, 1 inch, this is 1 inch distance. Fine. So let me write it here 1, 2, 3, and 4, so on. Okay. Now after that, the same 1 inch, I am keeping my scale at point A, and I am drawing one perpendicular line that is from the, let me call it point A. This point is A already we know, and this point I am considering B. Now I am going to join these 2 points. Okay. So dear student, as we know that this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit. So its square root is coming under root 2. Fine. So how to go with that? Using Pythagoras theorem, we know AB square equal to AA square plus OB square. Okay. After applying this, of course, here it will be 1 square. This is also 1 square. So that is 1 plus 1, that is 2. So dear student, OB equal to under root 2. So the value of OB is under root 2. Now take your compass in your hand, okay, and keep the origin A and measure from O to B. Look at your screen and see O to B, measure it, and then from B to draw one arc. Draw one arc which intersects. You can see this arc is intersecting here somewhere. This point is under root 2. This is the construction of under root 2, but here we want to go with under root 3. So in such a case, again I am choosing 1 unit on my scale. As you know, 1 unit as a 1 inch I have taken here. So I am keeping the compass here and I am measuring 1 unit from here. Okay. Now what to do? In the next step, I am going to join this. Let me call this point is C. Okay. And I am going to join O to C here. So after joining O to C, let me measure it. Okay. Take your compass in your hand. Keep the pointer of the compass at O and measure up to C. And yes, student, if you measure O to C, let me draw one arc which intersects. This arc which intersects number line at particular point. That point it will be called as under root 3. This point here you can see, let me call it B point, and that indicates the construction of the. So how we got in the next step? Simple, very easy. In that step, OC square equals, what we have chosen? OC square equals to OB square plus CD square. OB square plus CD square. So let me put its a value. You know very well. OC square, OD square is we are already we are having the value of OD square, that is from here to here, that we have chosen as under root 2. So this is under root 2 square. What about CD square? That is 1. So that is 1 square. So that is under root 2 square is 2 plus 1, that is 3. So my dear student, the value of OC is under root. This is a representation on a number 3. So this is the construction of the root 3 on the number. So here we present under root 5 on the number line. Okay. So let me show you. First of all, draw one straight line. Quite easy. After drawing one straight line, just take O as an origin. Okay. And as we know that 1 unit we have to take. So here as a 1 unit I am choosing 1 inch on my scale, and here you can see if I choose this 1 unit, then this will be 1, then 4, then 3, and this 4 units. So I am mentioning it here 1, 2, 3 and 4 units. Okay. So dear student, here we want to represent under root 5. So directly I am choosing here 2 units. Okay. What is the reason? But also I am telling you, I am directly keeping it here 2 units here at 1. So if I draw one straight line from here that is perpendicular to this, then it is indicating 2 units. This is 1 unit and here it is 2 units. So I am mentioning this is 2 units and this already we have chosen 1 unit. And now I am joining from here to here. Let me give the numbering, naming. So it will be O origin. This is A point I am considering. This is B point. So here, after that I am choosing O as a scale, O as origin, and up to OB I am measuring O to B. Take the radius OB, and now I am going to draw one arc. And here I am going to draw the one arc. You can see it's coming here somewhere. The arc is intersecting the number line at some point. That point is known as under root 5. So this is under root 5. So how to work out in simplification? After applying Pythagoras on this triangle, in triangle OAB, Pythagoras says OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. So my dear student, OA is 2 and AB already we know that is AB is 2 here we have taken and OA is 1. So 1 square is 1, 2 square you know 4, 1 plus 4 is 5. Therefore, AB equals to under root 5. So dear student, this is the construction of under root 5 on a number line. Present on a number line. So how to draw? First of all, I request you to draw a straight line. Okay. After drawing the straight line, as I told you, we need to take 0 as a origin, and here I am choosing 1 inch as my 1 unit. Okay, it will be convenient for all. So here, according to that, here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let me write it here 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. As we know that under root 17 is nearest to under root 16. Under root 16, it's a round off is 4, you know, dear student, right? So here, directly I am drawing one perpendicular line of 1 unit at 4. So this we need to do here, okay? So next step, I am going to join this O to this point from here to here, okay? If I join this, let me give the naming to this point that is A point. Here this point A I am giving, this point is as B I am giving. Now we need to draw one arc. Okay, so how to draw one arc? As usual, you know, is take your compass and measure the radius from O to B. You can see on your screen. If you measure O to B, then if we draw the arc from point B, then it will intersect somewhere here on the number line. You can see it is intersecting somewhere here on the number line. That point I am giving the name C point. Okay? As usual, you know, this was 1 unit. This point is 1 unit. So this is 1 I am considering. And how to measure this? This is already 4 units. So for triangle, which triangle I am talking about now? Triangle OAB. For triangle OAB, can I say OB square equal to OA square plus AB square? So what is OA? OA is a 4 square, 0 to A is 4 units, and AB we have taken 1 unit. So 4 square is 4 is 16 plus 1, that is 17. OB square equal to 17. Therefore, dear students, OB equal to under root 7. So this is the complete representation of under root 17. So this much portion is under root 17. And this portion, this C point where it is located on the number line, that is indicating under root 7. Yeah.